In this video, we're going to talk about topic 10.1, still fundamental identities, and now we're going to perform indicated operations. Notice we are jumping to example 16, and let's see, it looks like this, if I was just looking at this algebra-wise, I would say, hey, we probably need to FOIL that. So let's try that with this one. But I noticed something else about it, another little trick from my algebra studies. I noticed that they're conjugates of each other, right? Because one's a plus and one's a minus, and there's a shortcut on that. It meant that I only had to do F and L, the first and last, the O and the I get to go away. Remember when we did the I's, it was similar to that. We saw that happening a lot. So all I'm going to do is multiply first and last. That's my shortcut. So tangent times tangent would be tangent squared x. And then secant times negative secant would be negative secant squared x. Now I am going to try to replace, and this is different than the last one we did because there's a minus sign there, so we might be able to get a little bit more to cancel. I didn't need these parentheses. I'm not sure why I wrote them. So I'm going to say tangent squared x, and I'm going to see if I can replace the secant squared. So I'm going to go to my fundamental identities. I notice for secant squared, I am allowed to substitute in 1 plus tangent squared. So that's what I'm going to do. And now, if I had those algebra skills kick in again, I would know that I would distribute. So instinct would kick in and say, hey, I need to distribute that. And then I notice, look at this, tangent squared plus tangent squared cancel, and my final answer is -1.